Imagine a place where time slows, where the only schedule is the rhythm of the tides. Powdery white sand, crystal clear turquoise water, palm leaves, gentle waves, this is Thailand. Along the Andaman coast, nature has sculpted masterpieces, towering limestone cliffs, hidden coves, secret lagoons. These beaches are more than just sand, they're gateways to a world where worries dissolve into the blue horizon. Each island tells a story of geological marvels and the enduring spirit of the Thai people. We'll uncover why Thailand's beaches are ranked among the world's best, from bustling Phuket to dramatic Krabi and secluded island paradises. The Andaman Sea is calling. Are you ready to answer? Our adventure begins now, a cinematic journey through Thailand's coastal treasures. From vibrant Phuket to the awe-inspiring cliffs of Krabi. We'll island hop to legendary spots like the Phi Phi Islands, James Bond Island, and seek out quieter, hidden gems. This guide is your map to paradise, practical tips, local insights. Planning a trip, dreaming from home. Colors, sounds, stories. Leave your worries behind and dive into the beauty of Thailand. Your Thai beach paradise awaits. Our first stop, Phuket, Thailand's largest island and the pearl of the Andaman. Patong Kata Karon, there's a beach for every traveler. Patong buzzes with energy by day and transforms into a spectacle of lights and nightlife after dark. Karon and Kata offer a slower pace, perfect for families and surfers with charming local eateries just steps from the water. Beyond the famous names, hidden gems like Freedom Beach reward the adventurous with pristine sands and clear waters. Whether you crave vibrant energy or quiet solitude, Phuket's coastline is a treasure trove of experiences. Each beach is a new adventure, waiting to be discovered. This is the vibrant heartbeat of the Andaman. Phuket is more than beaches, it's a tapestry of culture and adventure. Wander Phuket Old Town's colorful Sino-Portuguese streets, street food, art, history. Visit the iconic Big Buddha for panoramic island views, or Karon Viewpoint for classic coastal vistas. Adventure awaits inland zipline through rainforests, visit ethical elephant sanctuaries, or cool off at Bang Pei Waterfall. These experiences reveal Phuket's rich heritage and natural beauty beyond the shore. Here, relaxation, culture, and adventure blend seamlessly. Phuket is a complete destination for every traveler. Getting to Phuket is easy. Fly direct to Phuket International Airport from major cities worldwide. Choose from private transfers, taxis, or ride-sharing apps to reach your hotel. Explore by tuk-tuk for short trips, or rent a scooter or car for more freedom. Just drive safely. The best weather is November to April, with calm seas and sunshine. The monsoon season brings fewer crowds and lush landscapes. No matter when you visit, Phuket's charm and accessibility make it the perfect starting point for your Thai adventure. Paradise is closer than you think. Next, we cross the Andaman Sea to Krabi, a land of epic limestone cliffs and hidden lagoons. The Railay Peninsula, accessible only by boat, a castaway paradise surrounded by soaring karsts. Relax on Railay Beach or explore Phra Nang Cave Beach, implied, Princess Cave and its offerings. Ao Nang serves as the lively hub for exploring Krabi's wonders, with easy access to islands and adventure. As the sun sets, the bay glows gold, long-tail boats silhouetted against the horizon. Krabi's dramatic landscapes and tranquil atmosphere offer a different kind of magic. Here, every view is a masterpiece. This is the spirit of Thailand's remarkable coast. Krabi is a natural playground for the adventurous soul, offering a thrilling array of activities that allow you to engage directly with its spectacular environment. The region is a world-renowned destination for rock climbing, attracting climbers of all skill levels from across the globe. The limestone cliffs of Railay Sai are riddled with hundreds of bolted routes, offering everything from beginner-friendly short climbs to challenging multi-pitch ascents with unparalleled summit views. Even if you have never climbed before, reputable schools offer half-day and full-day courses for a safe, exhilarating introduction. The adventures continue on the water. The calm, clear seas beckon. Kayaking is one of the best ways to discover Krabi's hidden gems. Rent a kayak right from the beach and paddle out along the dramatic coastline into sea caves and secret lagoons, hongs accessible only through narrow cliff tunnels. Paddling through these quiet, enclosed spaces feels like entering a lost world. It connects you deeply with the raw beauty in a way larger boats can't. For underwater explorers, Krabi offers fantastic snorkeling and diving. Around nearby islands like the Koh Hong Archipelago and the Poda Islands, vibrant coral reefs teem with marine life. Island hopping trips include several snorkeling stops, swim alongside parrotfish, clownfish, and maybe a gentle sea turtle. The water visibility is excellent and warm, accessible to all, from young children to seasoned divers. Back on the mainland, a short inland journey leads into lush jungle. Hike through rainforest to the Emerald Pool Samorakot, its mineral-rich water glowing brilliant green. Nearby, relax in the Klong Tom Hot Springs natural thermal pools cascading down rocks into a warm stream. These inland excursions contrast the coast, showcasing Krabi's biodiversity and geological wonders. Krabi is easily accessible via its international airport with transport links to Ao Nang. From the airport, it's a short drive to Ao Nang. Getting around is simple with walkable streets and songthews. Long-tail boats will take you to Railay Beach. The best time to visit is December to March for calm seas and sunshine. Don't miss Krabi Town's markets. Visit Wat Tham Swea or Tiger Cave Temple for panoramic views. From Phuket or Krabi, adventure calls from the horizon. We venture into the Andaman Sea to the legendary Phi Phi Islands. For many, these islands are the quintessential tropical paradise, famed after the movie The Beach. The archipelago consists of 6 islands, the main ones being Phi Phi Don and Phi Phi Lay. Phi Phi Don is the vibrant center with hotels, restaurants, and a bustling village. By day, it's a sun-drenched haven. By night, the beachfront comes alive with fire shows and beach parties. The true star is Phi Phi Lay, home to Maya Bay, the idyllic paradise from the movie. Beyond Maya Bay, Pile Lagoon offers emerald green waters perfect for swimming and snorkeling. A day trip here is an essential Thai experience, a dream made real, leaving lasting memories. Beyond the famous Phi Phi Islands, the Andaman Sea offers countless unique islands. Phang Nga Bay is home to the iconic James Bond Island. Explore the mystical landscape by boat. Sea canoe through hidden caves and lagoons. For a laid-back escape, Koh Lanta offers long, sweeping beaches. Relax in rustic beach bungalows. Explore the lush jungle. Visit the Koh Lanta National Park with its historic lighthouse. Discover Lanta Old Town, a charming village of stilt houses. Koh Lanta offers stunning scenery and a tranquil soul, ideal for relaxation. Embarking on an island-hopping adventure is honestly the highlight of any trip to this region, and, well, the good news is that it's incredibly easy to organize. The most common way to explore the islands is by joining an organized group tour. From Phuket and from Krabi, you'll find countless tour operators offering day trips. Phi Phi Islands, Phang Nga Bay, Hong Islands. These tours usually include hotel pickup and drop-off, a speedboat journey or a long-tail boat journey, lunch, snorkeling gear, and national park fees. It's a super convenient, hassle-free option, perfect for anyone who wants to see the main sites all in a single day. But, for those who crave more flexibility and a personalized experience, chartering a private boat is an excellent alternative. While it's more expensive, it gives you the freedom to create your own itinerary and escape the crowds. Hire a private long-tail boat for a smaller group to explore nearby islands, or a larger speedboat for a faster journey to distant spots like Phi Phi. That freedom lets you visit Maya Bay early in the morning before the tour groups arrive, or discover secluded coves that aren't on the standard tourist trail. Getting between the major hubs of Phuket, Krabi, and islands like Koh Lanta is very straightforward, thanks to a reliable network of public ferries. These large, comfortable boats run daily services connecting the main piers. For example, the journey from Phuket's Rasada Pier to Krabi's Klong Jilad Pier is a scenic trip with stunning coastal views. Ferries are a cost-effective and relaxing way to move your base from one paradise to another. It's always a good idea to book your tickets in advance, especially during peak season. When planning your island excursions, it's crucial to consider the season and the weather. During the dry season, from November to April, the seas are generally calm and perfect for boat travel. However, during the monsoon season, from May to October, the seas can get pretty rough, and some services may be canceled. Always check the local weather forecast and listen to the advice of your boat captain or tour operator. By planning ahead and choosing the right mode of transport for your style, you can make sure you have a safe, smooth, and utterly unforgettable island hopping experience in the Andaman Sea. Now that you're dreaming of turquoise waters and golden sands, let's pack. Pack light, breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, and rayon. Bring 2 swimsuits, sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses. Insect repellent is also wise. Flip-flops are your best friend, but bring walking shoes for hikes. A waterproof dry bag will protect electronics. Leave space for souvenirs. Pack light and prepare for beautiful experiences. Traveling to a place as beautiful as Thailand comes with a wonderful opportunity to give back. Ensure its beauty is preserved for generations to come. Responsible tourism is about making simple, conscious choices that have a positive impact on the local environment and community. One of the easiest and most important things you can do is to minimize your use of single-use plastics. Carry a reusable water bottle refill at hotels and cafes. Bring a reusable shopping bag. When you're on the beaches or out on the water, always take all your rubbish with you, leaving nothing behind but your footprints. Another powerful way to travel with heart is supporting the local economy. Eat at family-run restaurants, buy souvenirs from local artisans, hire local guides. This makes sure tourist dollars flow into the community. Research elephant sanctuaries, choose rescue and rehabilitation over entertainment. These small choices add up to a big difference. Interacting with local culture is one of the most rewarding aspects of traveling in Thailand. Thai people are known for warmth and hospitality, the land of smiles. Learn a few Thai phrases, sawasti, kop kun, simple gestures that bring big smiles. Remember to dress modestly at temples, cover your shoulders, cover your knees, and respect local customs and traditions. Cultural awareness fosters positive connections. Embrace the mindset of my pen ray. No worries, it's all good. Boats may be late, a sudden rain shower can appear. Go with the flow, embrace the unexpected. This relaxed attitude is the true spirit of a Thai holiday. Be present, be open, let the magic of this country wash over you. Travel with kindness, curiosity, and a happy heart. Your journey will be truly unforgettable. We have journeyed across the sparkling waters of the Andaman Sea, from Phuket's vibrant shores to the dramatic cliffs of Krabi and the legendary islands. We've seen Maya Bay's beauty and felt Koh Lanta's tranquility. Every sunrise here is a masterpiece, every sunset awe-inspiring. These memories are feelings: soft sand, warm sun, rhythmic waves. This journey invites you to dream, to imagine yourself on a long-tail boat towards a hidden lagoon. Picture yourself floating in surreal turquoise waters, surrounded by limestone giants. These images are the echo of paradise, calling you to adventure. They remind you that breathtaking beauty awaits your unforgettable stories. Thailand's magic lies in its landscapes and enduring spirit. This destination engages your senses and captures your heart. The Andaman's echo will stay with you, calling you back. Each location promises a unique facet of this coastal paradise. We hope this exploration ignites a desire to experience this magic. This is the enduring promise of Thailand's southern coast. The final frame of our film may be fading, but your personal story is just beginning. This journey from your screen to the shores of the Andaman is more achievable than you might think. The path has been laid out, from the practicalities of packing to the logistics of island hopping. The dream of Thailand does not have to remain a distant fantasy. It is a tangible reality, a plane ticket away from becoming your own adventure. The hardest part is often making the decision to go. Once you do, you will find that paradise is surprisingly accessible, ready to welcome you with open arms and endless wonders to explore. Now is the time to take that next step. Start looking at flights. Browse for that perfect beachside bungalow. Begin crafting your ideal itinerary. Will you choose the vibrant energy of Phuket, the adventurous spirit of Krabi, the laid-back charm of Koh Lanta? Perhaps you will experience all three. Let your imagination be your guide. Use the tips and insights from our journey to plan a trip that is perfectly tailored to your desires. Whether you seek thrilling exploration, deep relaxation, or a rich cultural immersion, Thailand has a corner of paradise just for you, waiting for your arrival. Remember to travel with an open heart and a curious mind. Embrace the Mai Pen Rai philosophy and let the journey unfold naturally. Talk to the locals, try foods you cannot pronounce, and dare to wander down the path less traveled. The most beautiful moments are often the ones you do not plan for. A spontaneous conversation, a hidden viewpoint you discover by chance, or a simple act of kindness. These are the experiences that transform a great holiday into a life-changing adventure. Let your journey be defined by connection, discovery, and the simple joy of being present in one of the most beautiful places on earth. The call of the Andaman is strong. It is a call to escape the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. It is a call to create memories that will warm your soul for a lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? Your 15 minutes in paradise on screen is over, but your real-life, timeless adventure is ready to begin. Pack your bags, book your ticket, and get ready to answer the call. The sun, the sea, and the sand are waiting. Your Thai beach paradise awaits.